Ah, the airport. The gateway to adventure, relaxation, and the dreaded security line. Shoes off, belts in the bin, hoping our carry-on doesn't raise eyebrows. Airport security can be stressful, with the 311 rule for liquids being a major culprit. Tiny containers in a clear plastic bag, simple yet tricky for many travelers. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll demystify the 311 rule. Say goodbye to confiscation anxiety and hello to a stress-free journey. The 311 rule by the TSA is your key to a smooth security experience. 3. Each liquid, gel, or aerosol must be in a container no larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. 1. All those containers need to fit in a quart-sized, clear, resealable plastic bag. 1. You get one quart-sized bag per passenger. Pack only the essentials to avoid any heartbreaking goodbyes at the security checkpoint. This rule applies to all liquids, gels, and aerosols, even peanut butter. We've all seen it. A frustrated passenger arguing with a TSA agent over a bottle of water. Common mistakes include underestimating what qualifies as a liquid: lotions, creams, gels, pastes. Overpacking the quart-sized bag can lead to spills and leaks. Only one bag per passenger. Stay tuned for expert tips to master the 311 rule. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. The first number in our 311 equation, the 3. Each container holding liquids, gels, or aerosols must be 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. Think travel-sized toiletries. Anything larger goes in checked luggage. Invest in refillable bottles and tubes, TSA-friendly and eco-conscious. Pro tip, label smaller containers clearly to avoid mix-ups. Now the first one in our 311 formula. All travel-sized liquids need a designated spot, the quart-sized, clear, resealable plastic bag. This bag is essential for a smooth security experience. It keeps your liquids separate and easily inspectable by security. Opt for a completely see-through bag for easy inspection. Pro tip: place your quart-sized bag at the top of your carry-on for easy access. A happy TSA agent equals a happy traveler. The final one in our 311 equation, one quart-sized bag per passenger. This rule ensures fairness and efficiency at the security checkpoint. Choose your liquids wisely and pack strategically. Opt for travel-sized versions or consider alternatives like solid shampoo bars. Pro tip: each person should have their own quart-sized bag. Combining liquids into one bag to share is a big no-no. Traveling with essential medications can be stressful, but the TSA provides exceptions. Prescription medications are exempt from the 311 rule. Keep them in original packaging with a visible prescription label. Over-the-counter medications are generally exempt too, but check specific guidelines. Declare medications to the TSA officer at the security checkpoint. Pro tip: pack refrigerated medications in a small cooler bag with ice packs. Traveling with babies and toddlers comes with its own challenges. The TSA offers exceptions for infant and child-related items. Formula, breast milk, baby food, and juice boxes are exempt from the 311 rule. Separate these items from your other liquids and declare them to the TSA officer. You can bring breast milk in liquid form, ice packs, or pre-frozen. Inform the TSA officer about any breast milk you're carrying. Pro tip: pack baby essentials in a separate, clear, resealable bag for easy access. This helps expedite the screening process and minimizes disruptions. One of the biggest pitfalls is misinterpreting what qualifies as a liquid. It's not just about drinks. Think lotions, gels, pastes, and even stick deodorant. The TSA considers these as gels, so they need to follow the 311 rule. The same goes for lip balms, solid perfumes, and cream-based makeup. When in doubt, assume it's a liquid and pack it in your quart-sized bag. Don't let a simple misunderstanding turn your travel day into a stressful ordeal. The quart-sized bag, a small champion of travel essentials. Overpacking this bag can lead to spills, leaks, and frustration. Be realistic about what you truly need and pack accordingly. Opt for travel-sized wonders or solid alternatives like shampoo bars. Resist the temptation to overstuff the bag. A busted zipper is the last thing you want. Choose wisely and pack strategically for a smooth journey. International travel means encountering new liquid restrictions. Each country has its own regulations. What flies in one airport might not in another. The European Union has similar rules, but size limits might differ. Research specific liquid regulations for each country you'll be visiting. Check the airline's website or the official tourism website for up-to-date information. Staying informed about international guidelines is crucial for a smooth journey. Beyond liquids, a host of prohibited items can trigger alarm bells at security. Sharp objects, large electronics, and flammable materials are common culprits. When in doubt, leave it out. Check the TSA's website for clarification. Pack questionable items in your checked luggage. Airport security ensures the safety of all passengers. Familiarize yourself with prohibited items to contribute to a smoother screening process. Arriving early is one of the biggest favors you can do for yourself. Arrive at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight. This buffer helps navigate unexpected hiccups like long security lines or gate changes. Arriving early transforms a potentially stressful experience into a manageable one. A calm and prepared traveler is less likely to make avoidable mistakes. Embrace the power of time management. Your future self will thank you. Ever watch those seasoned travelers breeze through security with an air of effortless grace? They seem to have it all figured out, moving through the airport like it's their second home. You might wonder, what's their secret? How do they manage to make it look so easy? Their secret weapon? Impeccable organization. It's not just about having a neat bag, it's about knowing exactly where everything is and being able to access it in a flash. Transforming your carry-on bag from a chaotic abyss into a well-orchestrated masterpiece is easier than you think. It starts with a mindset shift, viewing your bag as a series of compartments rather than a single large space. This approach is a game-changer for avoiding embarrassing fumbles at the checkpoint. Imagine gliding through security without having to dig through your bag, holding up the line, or feeling flustered. Before you even leave for the airport, take some time to strategically pack your carry-on bag. Think about the items you'll need to access quickly and place them in the most convenient spots. Place your liquids bag in an easily accessible outer pocket or at the top of your bag. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle when you reach the security line, so you can quickly grab it when you reach the security line. No more digging through layers of clothes and gadgets to find that tiny bag of toiletries. The same goes for your laptop or tablet. Keep it within easy reach to avoid frantic rummaging. Having these items on top or in a dedicated pocket can make the security process much smoother. Consider investing in packing cubes or zippered pouches. These handy tools can help you create designated compartments within your bag, making it easier to find what you need without turning your bag into a jumbled mess. Packing cubes are especially useful for keeping clothes organized and wrinkle-free. You can separate your outfits by day or type, making it a breeze to locate what you need. Zippered pouches are great for smaller items like chargers, cables, and toiletries. They keep everything in its place and prevent your bag from becoming a tangled mess of cords and accessories. This not only keeps your belongings tidy, but also makes it a breeze to find what you need. Imagine being able to reach into your bag and instantly pull out exactly what you're looking for. And while you're channeling your inner organization guru, why not extend the love to your personal style? Opt for slip-on shoes and avoid wearing excessive jewelry or accessories that might set off the metal detector. Slip-on shoes are a traveler's best friend. They make it easy to get through security without having to fumble with laces or buckles. Plus, they're comfortable for long walks through the airport. Minimal accessories mean fewer chances of setting off the metal detector and having to undergo additional screening. Keep it simple and save yourself the hassle. These small adjustments can shave precious minutes off your security experience and help you glide through the checkpoint with ease. You'll feel more confident and less stressed, ready to enjoy your journey. So, next time you pack for a trip, remember these tips. Channel your inner packing pro and transform your travel experience. With a little planning and organization, you can breeze through security like a seasoned traveler. Happy travels! These small adjustments can shave precious minutes off your security experience and help you glide through the checkpoint with ease. And remember, the key to a smooth travel experience is all in the preparation. The more organized you are, the more enjoyable your journey will be. So take a deep breath, pack smart, and enjoy the ride. Safe travels. Stay cool, calm, and collected. Grace under pressure. Let's face it, even the best-laid travel plans can encounter a bump or two along the way. Whether it's a sudden change in flight schedules, unexpected delays, or minor hiccups at the security checkpoint, these moments can test our patience and composure. But it's precisely in these moments that maintaining grace under pressure becomes crucial. The key to navigating these moments with grace and avoiding unnecessary embarrassment is to maintain your composure and approach the situation with a calm and collected demeanor. When you find yourself in a stressful situation, take a moment to breathe deeply and center yourself. This simple act can help you regain control and think more clearly. Remember, the TSA officers are there to ensure everyone's safety, and they're just doing their job. They deal with thousands of travelers every day, and a little understanding from your side can make the process smoother for everyone involved. Approach them with respect and patience, and you'll likely find them more willing to assist you. If you accidentally pack a prohibited item or your liquids bag springs a leak, take a deep breath and address the situation with respect and understanding. Mistakes happen, and it's important to handle them gracefully. Apologize for the oversight and cooperate fully with the officers as they help you resolve the issue. Getting flustered or argumentative will only escalate the situation and potentially delay everyone involved. Instead, try to stay calm and composed. Remember that everyone is working towards the same goal, getting you to your destination safely and efficiently. If you're unsure about a particular rule or regulation, don't hesitate to ask the TSA officer for clarification. They're trained to handle a variety of situations and are generally more than happy to provide guidance and answer your questions. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings and make the process smoother. They're trained to handle a variety of situations and are generally more than happy to provide guidance and answer your questions. By approaching them with a positive attitude and a willingness to listen, you can turn a potentially stressful situation into a manageable one. Remember, a little bit of kindness and patience goes a long way, especially when navigating the often stressful environment of airport security. A smile, a thank you, or a simple act of courtesy can make a big difference in your experience and the experience of those around you. By maintaining your cool and approaching any challenges with a positive attitude, you'll be well equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Embrace the journey with grace, and you'll find that even the most stressful moments can be navigated with ease and confidence. The Fast Lane to Security TSA PreCheck and Global Entry. For those who crave a smoother and more efficient security experience, the TSA offers two fantastic programs, TSA PreCheck and Global Entry. These programs are designed to make your travel experience as seamless and stress-free as possible, allowing you to focus on the journey ahead rather than the hassles of airport security. These programs are like VIP passes for frequent travelers, granting access to expedited security lines and streamlining the screening process. Imagine walking through the airport with ease, knowing that you have a special pass that allows you to bypass the usual long lines and tedious security checks. TSA PreCheck is designed for domestic travel within the United States. This means that if you're flying from one U.S. city to another, you can take advantage of the benefits that TSA PreCheck offers. By enrolling in this program and undergoing a background check, you'll be eligible to use dedicated TSA PreCheck lanes at participating airports. The enrollment process is straightforward and involves providing some personal information and attending an in-person interview. This means you can usually keep your shoes, belt, and light jacket on, and your laptop and liquids can stay tucked safely in your bag. No more fumbling with your belongings or worrying about losing something in the rush. Global Entry takes things a step further, offering expedited screening for international travelers arriving in the United States. This program is perfect for those who frequently travel abroad and want to make their return to the U.S. as smooth as possible. It also includes all the perks of TSA PreCheck for domestic travel. So whether you're flying within the U.S. or coming back from an international trip, you can enjoy a faster and more convenient security experience. With Global Entry, you can breeze through customs and immigration using automated kiosks, saving you precious time and hassle upon arrival. These kiosks are easy to use and significantly reduce the time you spend waiting in line. While both programs require an application fee and a background check, the benefits far outweigh the cost for many frequent travelers. The application process is a small price to pay for the convenience and peace of mind that these programs provide. Imagine saying goodbye to long security lines, frantic unpacking, and the stress of potential delays. That's the power of TSA PreCheck and Global Entry. These programs allow you to travel with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable way to navigate airport security quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a business traveler who flies frequently for work or a leisure traveler who enjoys exploring new destinations, TSA PreCheck and Global Entry can make your travel experience much more enjoyable. The time and stress you save can be spent on more important things, like preparing for your trip or simply relaxing before your flight. These programs are also great for families and elderly travelers, who may find the traditional security process particularly challenging. With TSA PreCheck and Global Entry, everyone in your travel party can move through security with ease, making the entire journey more pleasant for everyone involved. Additionally, both programs offer convenient ways to check your status and manage your membership online, You can easily renew your membership, update your information, and stay informed about any changes to the programs. In conclusion, TSA PreCheck and Global Entry are invaluable tools for anyone looking to enhance their travel experience. By investing a little time and money upfront, you can enjoy a lifetime of smoother, faster, and more enjoyable travel. So why wait? Enroll today and start experiencing the benefits for yourself. The power of preparation, your key to stress-free travel. There you have it, fellow adventurers. We've demystified the 311 rule, exposed those common travel faux pas, and equipped you with expert tips to conquer airport security like a seasoned pro. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and stress-free start to your journey. Think of it this way. By taking the time to pack smartly, organize your belongings, and familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations, you're not just avoiding potential embarrassment, you're contributing to a more efficient and enjoyable experience for everyone. So, the next time you're packing your bags and dreaming of your next adventure, channel your inner organization guru, embrace the power of time management, and remember those trusty tips we've shared. With a little preparation and a positive attitude, you'll be well on your way to creating travel memories that are nothing short of amazing. Join the journey. Subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're ready to embark on more travel adventures and unlock the secrets to stress-free journeys, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We're passionate about sharing our love of travel and equipping you with the knowledge and inspiration to explore the world with confidence and joy. From packing hacks and destination guides to cultural insights and culinary adventures, we've got you covered every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Join our community of travel enthusiasts and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.